GIIKO kia MUMBUNGE wa KITUI ya IRATHIRO Nimrod Mbai gia gutharikira muruti wira wa kambuni ya UTAMBIA wa thitima Kenya Power mwambiririo wa kiumia giki mwena wa KITENGELA kaunti-ini ya Kajiado no githiete na mbere na gukumithio na kuguciriria mawoni matiganite. Akiaria hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya KPLC engineer Joseph Sirol ni amenereirie GIIKO giki akiuga ni mahurite riboti sesheni-ini ya borithi ya KITENGELA akiuga matigwitikira tharikira ta ici kuhanikira aruti a wira.
In the recent past we have had a number of cases. There was one in UTAMBIA where one wielded a panga against a staff who was on top undertaking his duties. There was also a case in Nyandarua where a member of staff and the CBM were assaulted while undertaking their duties of disconnection due to the fact that the payments had not been undertaken.
Justice! We demand justice! We demand...
Na rita njira ya kuonania unyitaniri wao, aruti wira a kambuni ya KPLC mwena wa KITENGELA ni matabanirie mururungano makimenereria MUMBUNGE uyu riu makihoya ugitiri makiria hindi iria mari wira-ini wao. Ihinda-ini riu maabitha uthuthuria kuma KITENGELA ni mayukitie pisto ya MUMBUNGE uyu thutha wake kwinengerana sesheni-ini ya borithi ya KITENGELA na thutha ucio andikithia ndumiriri na maabitha ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI. Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa bodi ya KPLC Judy Masinde augite ona thengia wa president kuga andu aria meikirire thitima mabatie kugathikirwo mita ni Kenya Power handu-ini ha kurengerwo UTAMBIA wa thitima no nginyagia mbere nene ukorwo kinyanĩire niguo itigakorwo iri ugwati kuri muingi.
His angle is that where people have resorted to self-help, the way out is to have an amicable resolution such that they are metered, so that the company now benefits and the people remain connected to power. However, for us to do that, we have to ensure that the connections are first and foremost safe. What happened yesterday was not just a situation of an illegal connection. It was actually an unsafe connection. So it's not as simple as just slapping a meter to it and regularizing. The Kenya Power Company is committed to providing safe supply to Kenyans.
Sirol ni ashakaite kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia UTAMBIA wa thitima na njira ya ngungo akiuga ukoretwo ri ugwati munene kuona gukinyeria riu transformer 214 ni ciitwo na gucungereria hathara ya mamilioni ma mbeca akiuga undu uyu ni uhotometie mageria mao ma kugoithia garama ya thitima.
Last year we lost 214 units of transformers valued at an average of 800,000 per unit due to overloading from illegal connections and vandalism.
If you know somebody who's connecting illegally, maybe they have a whole block of flats and they're not paying for power. You who's putting your tokens are paying for that person to remain connected. And so you have to help us in this fight.
Kirifotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirore.